Hello everyone, I'm Ray Greeley with the Great Falls Forecast Office. Welcome to your weekly Montana weather hazards briefing for the week of November 29th through the 5th, 2021. As usual, please visit our website, social media accounts, or contact any of the 4 Montana forecast offices directly to address any questions. Let's go ahead and get started. The week begins with a chance for mountain snow and a brief break from the winds. Then the winds return for the midweek period, followed by a gradual cooling trend and snow potential for next weekend. Here are the potential hazards associated with this week's weather. Feel free to pause this slide for further review. As we head deeper into the cool season, drought conditions over much of the state continue to worsen. A majority of the state is now enduring extreme to exceptional drought, and the snow water equivalent is running far below average for most of our basins. A weak Pacific system will move through the state on Monday and will slowly lower snow levels to the past level by Monday afternoon and evening. This will result in a light snowfall for the central and western mountains, but little in the way of impacts are expected for the mountain pass routes. Strong westerly flow aloft develops as early as Tuesday morning and will likely mark the onset of a potential long-duration high wind event. The Rocky Mountain front and the adjacent plains will likely see the greatest impacts, but much of the state will likely be affected at some point. High wind watches and warnings will likely be issued over the next 24 hours or so. Wednesday will likely be the day with the strongest and most widespread winds. Wind gusts may exceed 80 miles per hour along the Rocky Mountain front and the immediate adjacent plains, with gusts up to and possibly exceeding 60 miles per hour in other areas. Impacts will include the potential for hazardous travel for high-profile vehicles, tree and property damage, and power outages. The combination of the winds with unseasonably warm temperatures and low humidity will also increase the risk for grassland fires for locations east of the divide. The winds will gradually diminish for most locations on Thursday. Ensemble guidance are in decent agreement for a weekend cooling trend with increased precipitation chances. However, there is low confidence in the exact details of how this transition will take place. Some models, such as the one shown here, indicate the potential for a fast-moving system and attendant cold front to bring accumulating snow and below normal temperatures to much of the state by Sunday. Stay tuned for future forecasts. The latest outlook from the Climate Prediction Center indicates that temperatures may still run above average as we head into the second week of December, but a more active pattern may bring in some much-needed precipitation. This concludes this week's briefing. Here is a summary of the main points discussed in this presentation. Please visit our website or social media accounts for the latest information and contact any of the 4 state forecast offices to address any questions. Thank you for watching this video and have a great week, everyone.